My ambrosia potato plants are about 5 feet tall. I haven't measured them, but I'm like 5'7" or 8 feet tall. That's the top tip of that's right there, and this is way up here, so that's a pretty big potato plant. So that's a good potato plant to grow biomass for the soil. It's a good variety. We were digging these up and I thought, we have got to get a video of this. So here's the rest of the field where we had all of our other rows here. And the field goes back this way. And so we've harvested everything. We got the Yukons, the Burbanks, the Sunrise, the, I don't even know what else there were. Pontiacs.
Cobblers. Did you
Irish cobbler.
Yeah.
I'm missing a couple in my memory. But the ambrosias were last. I did the ambrosias last because they're still not done growing. But frosty weather's coming and labor's going home. So this plant, look how epic this is. It's like 4 feet tall. My armpit's 4 feet high. There it is. So I'm excited about that, but I want to show you what they look like under the ground. It's very, very wonderful. So what I do is I take the entire plant like this and we loosen the soil like that. We pull it back like this.
Oh, look at them.
And there they are.
Perfect for slicing for scalloped potato.
Come this way. Every time I get it on camera, it's not as impressive as the day before.
Oh, that's always how it is.
So here we go. I cut the leaves off the top of this one so I can handle it. Oh, so disappointing. When I did it in these ones here, there were like 50 big ones. And now it's making an idiot out of
This is just making you work. You're gonna earn this photo. Oh.
Let's do it this way. Let's see.
Oh wow, look at those. There's tons of them.
These are a fun potato.
Break one open so people can see.
Yeah, ambrosia. Ambrosia is beautiful. It'll be interesting to see how appetizing these are on a plate to people who have never seen anything but a white potato. Because these are a little different. So pink mashed potatoes may not be exactly what people are used to putting in their mouth.
So if you have a princess at home who loves all things pink, this is the potato for you.
So it's pretty exciting. Let me.
Look at how many there are down in there. That's really epic, William. I love it.
Here, I gotta quit complaining and find a good one.
That's right. There's no situation so bad that complaining and whining won't make it worse.
That's right. So here we go. This is a small plant here, so it's not even gonna work. Oh, so disappointing. Remember those yesterday, Tim?
I don't know why you're disappointed. I'm here impressed with all the potatoes you're getting.
Over yesterday, there were like 40 potatoes. You couldn't see dirt.
Well, you know.
As soon as we get the camera, it all changes.
Camera lady shows up and all kinds of problems ensue.
If you have a rifle, you don't find a deer very easy. This one feels promising because it's all coming up right there.
Oh, yeah. Oh, that's pretty exciting. Look at that.
That's more like what yesterday was. A little bit. Let's Photoshop it.
Photoshop it. Put the potatoes back on. Potato shopping it.
Anyway, I planted cover crops in between the rows. This is sorghum Sudan grass right here. The lady came by the other day and said, "That looks really weedy in there." Exactly. We wanted as much biomass as we could get to feed the microbes, which
Did
feeds
you
the
really?
plants. I have
funny.
5 foot tall plants in here. That one was 4 feet. Some of them are taller than that.
Weeds are your friends.
If they're managed properly. They
Right.
can also be your worst enemy, and I understand that. I certainly.
It's all about mindful management.
Here we go. This one feels promising.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah, look at this right here.
Oh, yeah.
Isn't that glory? Here, we'll make it look better for the camera. Okay, now film. Just kidding. Okay, this is Ambrosia. Hopefully this helps you to Photoshop your videos.